And unfortunately today we have another round of showers and thunderstorms for the afternoon and evening. This morning maybe a couple of showers or some heavier downpours for our coastline, but that best chance for rainfall arrives around 4 and 5 o'clock this evening. Up to a 60% coverage with high temperatures today in the middle and upper 80s. A 70% coverage of showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Paola.
And we are following some trouble spots out on the roadway. We are following a crash on I-75 northbound in Marion County. Otherwise, though, as we take a look at the 406, no major issues or slowdowns. We'll have another look at your traffic conditions coming up in the 7 o'clock hour.
It is 7:09. A new report could link a popular painkiller to autism. The new questions for pregnant women here in the U.S.
Plus, tributes continue to pour in for a local leader fondly remembered as a trailblazer.
Good morning, Lindsay. Good morning, everyone. We are following a couple of crashes right now. We have this one on State Road 417 northbound just past South Orange Avenue. The right lane is blocked off because of this incident. And just north of that, we're also following some police activity again on 417 northbound just before Narcoossee Road. The right lane also blocked off in that area as well. And here we're showing you a live look at 408 westbound where there is an accident that's blocking off that right lane here. This is on just before Mills Avenue. So another area to watch out for as you make your way out this morning. But right now, let's get a check on the forecast. Here's meteorologist Kellianne Klass. Good morning, Kellianne.
Good morning, Paola. Good morning, everyone. Starting off this morning, a lot of us with overcast conditions, but I did find a nice sunrise in Lake County. A mix of sun and clouds to start, but unfortunately today we're looking at a lot more cloud cover than what we had yesterday. Right now, we're only tracking a couple of showers just outside of Polk City, moving gradually towards Celebration and Citrus Ridge along the I-4 US 27 area in those locations in Polk County. So I am just keeping an isolated shower in the forecast this morning, but looking ahead to the afternoon, I think that's when we'll see the highest coverage of rainfall today, up to a 60% coverage, especially around 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the evening. Tomorrow, we're looking at a 70% coverage of showers and thunderstorms.
Is it okay for your kids to skip that? All of it. Happen.
It's a WESH 2 News update.
7:56. Good morning, everyone. Don't forget your umbrella today. It's been a relatively dry start to our Monday, but more showers and storms are on tap this afternoon. Let's bring in first warning meteorologist Kellianne Klass, timing out when we can see that wet weather, and it could lead to some flooding as well.
It could, very localized. So I wouldn't talk about widespread flooding, but just like yesterday and on Saturday, some areas did have some ponding on the roads, some flooding because they picked up a quick 2 to 4 inches of precipitation. This morning, just a few isolated showers in parts of Polk County beginning to quickly dissipate. A couple of more showers around the Anthony area in Marion County and a few more showers right off the coastline of Volusia County. So I am expecting more rain as we go throughout the afternoon hours, but this morning maybe 1 or 2 spotty showers here and there. It'll be by 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the afternoon and evening that will track scattered rain and thunderstorms. Then overnight tonight, a lot of that rainfall clears out. Highs today in the middle and upper 80s. That continues for the rest of the week. Paola.
Good morning, everyone. We are tracking a couple of problem spots out there. We have this one crash on State Road 417 northbound just past South Orange Avenue that's blocking off the right lane, so something to watch out for as you make your way out. We also have some police activity just north of that, also on 417 north, also blocking off that right lane. This one is just before Narcoossee Road, so give yourself a little bit of extra time if you are heading out this morning. Otherwise, though, I'm not following any problem spots. Good morning, Lindsay. Good morning, everyone. Right now, still following that crash on 417. This is just past South Orange Avenue. It's still causing a bit of an issue in the area. The right lane is still blocked off. Again, this is a multi-vehicle crash, so give yourself a bit of extra time. Also following some backups as we take a look at I-4. This is a westbound and eastbound seeing some delays. This is near Heathrow, so give yourself a bit of extra time. But Kellianne, it's very gloomy out there today.
Yeah, it is. And we're unfortunately going to be dealing with a lot of those gloomy conditions over the next couple of days, all thanks to this front that's stalled out over central Florida. We're going to be tracking some showers across our coastline this morning, just a few isolated showers, but later on today, 3, 4, 5 o'clock, we'll track scattered rain and scattered thunderstorms with most of that rainfall lingering across our coastline tonight.
It is 8:29 and people in a Palm Bay neighborhood are cleaning up after a tornado touchdown. Good morning, everyone. I'm Alan Campbell.
And I'm Lindsey. Sablan. That twister tore through the area around 2:30 yesterday afternoon. And as WESH 2's Bob Hazen explains, most of that damage happened in a very small area.
Those storms pretty wild over the weekend. Let's check in right now with first warning meteorologist Kellianne Klass, because behind you still seems like it's a little bit dreary out there this morning.
Yeah, yesterday we were waking up to mostly sunny conditions, and now, unfortunately, a lot of Central Florida is waking up to cloud cover. Just some peaks of sunshine through the clouds, but overall, mostly cloudy conditions rather than mostly sunny conditions. We're already tracking a couple of showers popping up around the Astor-Pearson area. A couple of more showers popping up in southern Flagler County as well. And that's all thanks to this front stalled out over the area. Our rain chances will quickly increase going into the afternoon hours. Today, we are looking at a 70% coverage of showers and thunderstorms, 60%, and then tomorrow a 70% coverage of showers and thunderstorms around 3, 4, 5 o'clock. I think that's when we'll have the best potential to see scattered storms. But even by 7, 8 o'clock tonight, we're still looking at our southern locations for some storms. And then overnight tonight, we'll still have some showers across our coastline on and off throughout the overnight hours. Coming up in a few minutes, we'll talk about tomorrow's rain chances, when things could dry up, and also have a look at the tropics. First, though, it's going on 8:32. Let's get over to Paola Arruda with a check on traffic.
Good morning, Kellianne. Good morning, everyone. We are following mostly clear conditions out there for your morning commute. Here is a live look at I-4. Both sides of the roadway here near Heathrow. For the most part, it seems like it's a pretty smooth commute. No major issues or slowdowns. Also, I want to show you this live look over downtown Orlando. This stretch of I-4 here, we're starting to see that it's definitely still busy in certain spots, but for the most part, it should be a relatively okay commute if you are heading out there this morning. We do have a crash, though, to watch out for. Again, this is on State Road 417, a multi-vehicle crash just past Orange Avenue. At last check, the right lane was blocked off, so an issue to watch out for as you make your way out. We'll have another check on your road conditions coming up for you in just a little bit.